Hello guys, you're welcome to our YouTube channel. Please, this is Niger Product Creative Tips, and in this our channel we'll talk more about how to make money online, especially using adsterra. I found out that adsterra is becoming the best ad networking platform. You understand? Because I've battled with AdSense several times. Now I realize that adsterra is the very best and the biggest alternative to AdSense. Only if you have the knowledge. So, but the very first time I started this Astra stuff, it wasn't kind of I just said okay, let me just run a review on Astra. So all of a sudden I started making money from that Astra. I said okay, let me start sharing tips on how I do it. You can see my dashboard here. I have up to $248. This is just within few days now. Okay, and they've just paid me. Let me just show you when from the time I started making this money. Here now you can see my payout, my payment. I'm gonna show you this. I'm gonna show you something here. You see, I was paid on first of this month. Yeah, first of this month. Let me on my brush so you can see it. This is the date they paid me. You can see it now. I didn't get it right. Check, 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 check. This is it. You see, this is $293.28. You get so, and that was first of this month. So you can now check from first. Today is what? Today should be 22nd, and I was able to make up to this amount today. Okay, and that's the reason why there will be a need for you to subscribe to this channel because everything I do it clear, and the tips that other YouTubers cannot share with you, I myself I can share it with you because I don't know why some other YouTubers have just derived joy in tricking people, telling people lies just to get views. Me, I don't do like that. I teach you the exact same thing that I did and got that exact result. So, and if you should follow my video the exact way I did mine, you're also going to arrive at that same spot, okay? So that is the reason why you will just need to subscribe to this channel. I'm I'm up and running. I'm up and running, and I really need to share this update with you guys because this money is just go money. It's not my money. It's not my father's money. You understand? And the money is there. You too. You can go there and collect. And that is the reason why I'm sharing the update with you. I don't need to hide anything. You understand? Subscribe to this channel and follow me up. Very soon, some of my students out there will start posting stuff like this. Then another thing I would like to tell you is if you really need to hear from some other guys out there, just go to this video description and then click on that Facebook group link there and then join us on Facebook. If you have any question or anything that is gonna convince you, you understand this kind of thing, just go there and drop it there. I'm there to receive and also check the comments and as well as replying your post. I'm going to clear you. You get? But one thing you just need to do is like this video now if you really need or you like what we are doing here. Like this video and also go to this video's description. Hit on that Facebook group and then join us there. We are there every time. Others are there. Very soon I'm going to launch a WhatsApp group, but that particular group is it's gonna be for proof. So and you have to provide your proof of payment, and you need to tell me that all those things happened just a kind of a result of following me here on YouTube. So you just need to calm down, subscribe, follow this channel up, and also go and follow us on Facebook. Okay, there we share more important tips, and also you get to connect with other your fellow adsterras there, and then some of them may also show you the way. You understand? Because I've noticed that some of us here, after watching the video, you go and do another thing instead of doing the right thing. You get? The next video I'm going to share you guys on how you can make traffic from Quora. Quora is my best place. That is the best. That is the biggest place I drive traffic to my site. And the one thing about this Astra is that you don't even need to have a website before you start using this Astra to make money. So you can just create a landing page. You can just watch my video here. You're going to see the one. I think second to the last video that I published here should be talking about landing pages. So you just need to watch that video, learn how to create landing page, and then start making your money with adsterra. You get? So today I'm not gonna be kind of sharing the update like that. I'm trying to let you know what is in the game and the reason why you need to subscribe to this channel. Okay, so hit that subscription button, hit on that notification bell, so that anytime I publish content like this, you gotta be the first person to get it. Thank you for watching, and may God bless you.